Hello. Welcome to Easy English Journey. Today I will tell you a simple story. This story is about going to the grocery store. Please relax and listen carefully. Today is a normal day. I need to buy food for my home. In the morning, I look at my kitchen. The fridge is almost empty. There is no milk. There are no vegetables. I say to myself, I need to go to the grocery store. I take a small notebook. I make a shopping list. I write milk, eggs, bread, rice, vegetables, fruit. I check the list again. Everything looks good. I put on my shoes. I take my shopping bag. The weather is nice. The sun is warm. I walk to the grocery store near my house. The store is not very far. Many people are going inside. I open the door and walk in. The store is bright and clean. I hear soft music. First, I go to the vegetable section. I see tomatoes. They are red and fresh. I pick some tomatoes. I put them in my bag. I see carrots. They are long and orange. I take a few carrots. Next, I go to the fruit section. I see apples, bananas, and oranges. I pick some apples. They look sweet. I take bananas too. They are yellow and soft. Then I go to get milk and eggs. The fridge area feels cold. I take one bottle of milk. I check the date. I take one box of eggs. I hold it carefully. After that, I look for bread. There are many kinds of bread. I choose simple white bread. It smells fresh. Now I go to the rice and food aisle. I take one bag of rice. It is a little heavy. I also take some cooking oil. While walking, I see many other things. Snacks, juice, chocolate. I feel a little tempted. I smile and say, maybe next time. Next, I go to the meat section. It feels a little cold here. I see chicken, beef, and lamb. They are fresh and clean. I choose some chicken. It is good for cooking dinner. I ask the worker for help. He smiles and gives me the meat. I put it carefully in my bag. After that, I go to the fish section. I can smell the ocean. I see fish and shrimp on ice. They look fresh and shiny. I choose one fish. I want to cook it today. The worker wraps the fish for me. I say, thank you. Now my shopping is almost done. I check my shopping list again. Milk? Yes. Eggs? Yes. Vegetables? Yes. Fruit? Yes. Everything is in my bag. Now it is time to pay. I go to the cashier. The cashier smiles and says, hello. I say, hello. She scans my items. I wait quietly. She tells me the total price. I pay and say, thank you. She says, have a nice day. I take my bags and leave the store. The bags are a little heavy, but I feel happy. I walk back home slowly. The street is calm. The air feels fresh. When I reach home, I put the bags on the table. I take the food out. The fridge looks full now. I feel satisfied. Going to the grocery store is simple but important. It helps me prepare food. It helps me take care of myself. Thank you for listening. This is the end of today's story. See you next time on Easy English Journey.